Question: what is a robot? A robot is a machine that imitates human actions. It can perform many tasks that are too dangerous and too monotonous for humans. Robots free humans from heavy and tedious work. They are engaged in fixed and regular work, such as industrial painting and welding. They are also used in dangerous environments, such as toxic environments and areas around volcanoes. Robots equipped with electric eyes can also be used to inspect or classify goods. Robots are also widely used in factories, where robotic hands can solder components to electronic circuit boards. Now the use of robots outside the industry is being developed. In 1990, the US military adopted a machine spy. It is a remote-controlled terrain vehicle equipped with a camera that can roam on enemy positions and send back information about firepower and weaponry. In 1991, Australia adopted a shearing robot which was almost twice as fast as shearing sheep manually. In 1993, a dairy farm in the Netherlands was the first to install a milking robot which was controlled by a computer. Countries with most robots. In 1961, General Motors of New Jersey, USA invented the first robot. Although the robot was invented by the United States, the country with the most robots is in Japan. In 1967, Japan introduced the first robot from the United States, and by 1980, it reached 20,000. In the 1990s, half of the world's robots were in Japan, and most of them were used in the automotive and electronics industries. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, you can subscribe, like, comment, and share.